unboxing video for a new arrival. Very excited. It has just arrived. I literally couldn't wait to go and get it. And this is one of the few new releases that actually comes with a worthwhile unboxing experience, because most are pretty rubbish. Wow, that's really cool. That's actually a textured number 11 there. And if you can see that, that is really cool. Branding, okay. Hasselblad Oneplus. Oh yeah, let's see if that makes any difference when we do our full review. But otherwise, let's get this open. Okay, let's see what we've got in the box. We've got our opening tool. There we are, nothing like a good kitchen knife. And we are unboxing. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. Never settle. Now that's their company branding, and they haven't been doing brilliantly well with it, to be honest, recently. But I've been watching this phone, and this is apparently an excellent phone. So let's have a little look inside what this top packaging is. Here we've got a welcome note, quick guide, safety guide, and stickers. How about that? Oh, that's weird, pipe and stuff like that. Okay, interesting, put that to the side. Here is the actual phone. Oh yeah, looking forward to opening that. But this is what makes this extra special from now on. Check it out. There's an actual charging block, and that big boy is at 100 watts. That is pretty serious. That's a serious amount of super Vukin hell. Indeed. Then we've got some nice, not braided, but we've got nice bright red cable there. I like the look of that. That's actually really sweet. And it is USB-C to A. You can see that. So we're going to leave that for now. All right. Very, very nice. And then let's do some peeling here. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna get this switched on and we're gonna start our full review, which will be coming out very, very soon. Thanks very much. See you soon.